Hey everyone. Uh, in this video, I'll show you how to grow your Discord server organically with a smart setup. Yeah, if you want real members who actually engage instead of random bots or inactive users, this approach will help you attract and retain an active community because, honestly, growth isn't just about numbers, it's about quality. So first, organize your server properly. Uh, Clear categories, well-named channels, and proper role hierarchy make your server look professional, which encourages new members to stay and participate. Next, set up welcome messages and onboarding. Yeah, give new members instructions, rules, and introduce them to key channels. This makes them feel included from the start and reduces confusion. After that, create engaging channels. Polls, discussion threads, and topic-based channels encourage conversation, while dedicated support or feedback channels show your server is active and responsive. Also, integrate bots smartly. Yeah. Use moderation bots, leveling systems, or activity tracking bots to reward engagement and maintain order, which keeps members motivated to participate. And yeah, promote your server naturally. So, share your server link in relevant communities, social media, or partnerships, but avoid spammy tactics that drive away real members. Finally, monitor activity and adjust regularly. Most of the time, a smartly set up and actively managed server will grow organically with engaged and loyal members. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.